as you start writing, are the people very close to you. Okay, so you want to start with the people who are very close to you, like your partner, your wife or your husband, your romantic relationships, your brothers and sisters, your parents, your business partners, your good friends, your coworkers. Okay, so just start with listing the people who are most important to you, that are closest to you in your life. As you get through the first list of names, list the names of people with whom you've had a good relationship in the past, but that relationship has become strained or has broken off. So you had a good relationship with them in the past, but it's become strained or it's broken off entirely. Yeah, question?
I'm not understanding that. Are you saying someone, another list?
No, this is just adding on to your list. Okay, so the first people on your list to look at is people who are closest to you. Okay, and then as you get through and you list those people, then also add to the list with people that you had a good relationship with in the past, but the relationship is now strained. Or it's broken off entirely. Maybe you're not even speaking to the person.
So those people could be the same people?
Could be the same people. You might have some people who are like a relative and it's broken off. Yeah, absolutely. And then I also invite you to put people on your list that are important to you because they interact with your children, or they're part of the communities that you're part of, or maybe they're part of your neighborhood, or they participate with you in important endeavors like your church or your community. So put all the important relationships in your life on your list, is the bottom line.
David,
Yeah.
I don't really have anybody I don't speak to.
That's okay. This is not limited to people you don't speak to.
And I don't have anybody that I'm really written off or any.
Okay,
Yeah, so-
no problem.
Okay, gotcha.
Just write down the important people in your life.
I got it.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to look again at the scale of workability that we introduced earlier in the seminar. And the scale is from 0 to 10. So 0 means it's completely unworkable. In other words, a relationship that's 0, what would be in that relationship is struggle, obligation. It's hard work. It's a lot of effort. Or maybe it's just grown cold and it lacks inspiration, or or there's resentment there. 10 would be a relationship that is thriving. It's expanding, it's nurturing, it's moving, it's productive. And 5 could be a relationship that, well, it's as good as it gets, but you see no real future there. It's okay. All right, so looking at your relationships on your list, rate each one on the scale of workability. So the rating itself is not important. What's important is that you tell the truth. This is your opportunity to look at those relationships and just tell the truth about where you would rate each one of those on the scale of workability. And there's nothing you need to defend in this conversation. There's nothing you need to prove or to get right. This isn't like, oh gosh, everybody should be a 10. No, this is an opportunity for you to tell the truth so that you can actually have a shot at bringing workability, freedom, and possibility to those relationships.